Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno4 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here let's scroll until you'll find security. Let's tap here and now let's scroll and find the credential storage section. As you can see here we've got the red text, remove all user certificates. So let's tap here, let's click on OK if you're ready, and if you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your OPPO Reno4. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.